I swear right now, I just came from an embassy party and there's no one in this bus. Oh my God. I was at the Spanish embassy in Panama and I'm freaking out. No one sees how like I'm really tripping right now. I just like met like the embassy person, political figure or whatever, but I just wanted to come and tell you guys that. So yeah, it's been real. Yeah, like yes, it just got real. Your girl walked the red carpet. This is Angie Ray coming to you from Little Havana. No, I'm just playing. We're in Panama. At the Spanish embassy, I've met so many wonderful people that I know that my career is on its way for real. I had to leave the state of California to come to Panama to get contacts to directors, filmmakers, people in the industry. It's so hard out here, but I'm so glad I walked the red carpet, a real red carpet by the sea in Casco Viejo. So I just want to come out here and do this little video before everybody get on the bus. Your girl, she wore some heels. Woo! I ain't playing. I was being real. Okay, guys. So, oh yeah, this is the Baby Soft Wave. This is at its, it's about a week now since it's been in. So, yeah, gotta go. Look at the people. Y'all think I'm playing. Look at this. Yes, Lord. Thank you for watching your child. I'll holler at you guys. Thanks for being the Angie Ray fan. Ciao. I guess I should end it here.